Alrighty, yeah, let's hit it.
All right. My name is Corey Arkle. I'm the transportation supervisor for Spokane Public Schools. As part of our weather alert team with the district, we're assessing road conditions prior to our 4:30 call, and we're just seeing current conditions, but also what we anticipate the conditions to be by the morning commute. And then at 4:30, the district leadership and the weather alert team are going to have a Teams call, and we'll make a determination of conditions are such that we're going to continue as scheduled or a 2-hour delay, or if we expect them to be hazard enough to actually have a snow day.
The wind is blowing snow and adding another factor to the conditions for sure.
Some areas such as Carnahan Hill and Hatch, nothing's been plowed yet, and it's pretty low visibility. So I don't know the city plow timeline, but I'm wondering if, because they're expecting more to come down.
Snow removal, it starts like 5:30 a.m. Our head custodians in the buildings, they're responsible for all the snow removal. Stairways, walkways, pathways, sanding and de-icing sidewalks. It doesn't only just affect us. It affects every department, every student's, every parent's life, and being able to figure out what they're going to do, how they're going to do it. Everything else in the buildings, unless it's an emergency, it halts, because our goal is to have everybody in the buildings.
It's extremely important, especially if you're on the South Hill. There's no way you're going to safely make it up most of those streets without your chains on, without sliding. You want to keep the kids, yourself, and any of the other drivers on the road or pedestrians walking as safe as possible.